find the remainder when 19 raised to 200 plus 49 raised plus 23 raised to 200 is divided by 49. Now, before we attempt this problem, there are few important observations. The very first thing is that 49 is a perfect square, right? 49 will be 7 square. Also, you can notice that for these two numbers, we have same exponent 200. One number is 19 raised to 200, other number is 23 raised to 200. So for these type of problem, what we'll do is that we'll try to break this symmetrically, right? We'll try to break 19 and 23 symmetrically about some multiple of 21, right? Between 19 and 23, we have 21 and 21 is multiple of 7. So 19 we can write as minus 2 plus 21, this raised to 200, and 23 you can write as 2 plus 21 and this raised to 200. Because we have same exponent, we are dividing by 49, which is 7 square. 21 is multiple of 7. So here we can break 19 and 23 symmetrically about 21. We can write 19 as 21 minus 2 and 23 as 21 plus 2. Also, I'm trying to write this is expansion in increasing powers of 21, right? So therefore, first I have written minus 2 and then 21. Now you can see that if I expand it using binomial theorem, then in this first expansion, you will get alternate positive and negative terms. In the second one, you will get all positive terms. And the negative term of this first one, that will be cancelled by the positive term of this second expansion. So basically the expansion will be twice of, and this first term you will get twice. Second term will cancel because it will have same magnitude, but in this first one you will get minus sign, in second one you will get plus sign. And similarly, T3 you will get twice, T4 will again cancel. So the expansion will be 2 into, right, all the positive terms you will get twice and negative term will cancel. So you'll get 2 into 2 raised to 200. 200 C1 term will cancel. So next one will be 200 C2. And this multiplied by minus 2 raised to even power 198. That is 2 raised to 198. And then 21 square. Again 200 C3 term will cancel, and after that you will get 200 C4, 2 raised to 196, 21 raised to 4. Now we are dividing this number by 49. 49 is 7 square. In 21 square, we have 3 square into 7 square. So that means this term is multiple of 21 square and hence it is multiple of 7 square. After that, next term will be 21 raised to 4. That is also multiple of 7 square. So in fact, except for this first term, all the other subsequent terms, they will be multiple of 49. So you can combine all of these terms and you can say that this will become 2 into and then 200 plus another one, so 201 plus some multiple of 49, right? All of these terms, they are multiple of 49 multiplied by 2, they are still multiple of 49. And if you divide the multiple of 49 by 49, the remainder will be 0. So from this term, you will not get any remainder. So now basically we have to focus on 2 raised to 201. And again, we have to think that which power of 2 is 7 plus minus 1 or multiple of 7 plus minus 1, because we are dividing by 49 and 49 is 7 square. So clearly you can see that 2 cube will be 8 and 8 we can write as 1 plus 7. So therefore we'll write this as 2 raised to 3 and this raised to 67. 201 is multiple of 3. 3 into 67 will be 201. So now we'll get 2 cube, this we can write as 1 plus 7 and this raised to 67. Expand it using binomial and we have 1 plus 67 C1 into 7. Next term will be 67 C2 into 7 square. After that, all the other subsequent terms and the last term will be 7 raised to 67. So except for the first two terms, all the other terms, they are multiple of 7 square and hence multiple of 49. Right, 7 square, next one will be 7 cube and so on. So all of these numbers, they are multiple of 49, right? So if I divide this one by 49, the remainder will be 0. So basically we are left with this number. The number n will be 1 plus and then we have 67 into 7. plus some multiple of 49. When divided by 49, they will give us 0 remainder. Now here again you can see that, I mean, in this number we can manually calculate the remainder, multiply these two numbers and then see what is the remainder when we are dividing by 49. But if you want, you can save some time in calculation. 67 you can write as 49 plus 18 and this multiplied by 7, and again 49 into 7, that is multiple of 49, so that you can neglect. So basically we are left with 18 into 7 plus 1. Now 18 into 7 will be 126 plus 1, so that will be 127, right? So basically this number is 127 plus some multiple of 127 plus some multiple of 49. Ultimately the number is of this form. And now just find the remainder in 127 when we are dividing that number by 49. So clearly you can see that if you divide 127 by 49, you will get 98. So 2 and another 27. So that is 29. So if you divide 127 by 49, the remainder will be 29. So that is the correct answer for this problem, right? So I mean, this was a very interesting problem where first we had to break this number symmetrically about 21, because 21 was 3 into 7 and 49 is 7 square. After that, when you expand it using binomial, only this first term is not multiple of 49. All the other terms, they are multiple of 21 square and hence multiple of 49. Now again, this 2 raised to 201, this you can write as 1 plus 7 raised to 67. Expand it using binomial, and now first two terms, they are not multiple of 49. All other terms, they are multiple of 49. So finally we got 127 plus multiple of 49. When you divide 127 by 49, the remainder will be 29. And that is the correct answer for this problem.